Hey everybody, Tom Chantal. Welcome to Tom's Trading Room. What a day we had today in the market. It's May 17, 2017. And wow, biggest down move for the year. We're going to talk about that as well as what happened to gold. If you happen to have tuned in to last week's update, you got to be happy about that. I'll get to that right now. So take a look first at the S&P 500. Big move we had. Last week I did say we'd go a little bit higher, but the sell in May and go away, well, although it is 2 weeks late, it looks like the sell in May and go away crowd has finally made it to the dance floor. And we're below the 50-day moving average. I would be more concerned if we close above or close below the 200-day moving average. Right now I see support at around 232 and, of course, all the way down to 225 from there on the SPY, the ETF for the S&P. Bonds? Really, like I say here in the picture, it doesn't get any clearer than this. We got such an inverse correlation. When stocks drop, bonds rise. We had a great darknet buy signal that happened about 5 days ago in TLT. It's moving much higher since then. Looking at FXE. Well, here's one I got wrong. All right, but FXE is back to being a risk-off asset. That means it moves higher when our stock market is in turmoil and when our stock market moves lower. So what I would look to do now is, if there is a bullish approach in here during the sell in May and go away, I would like to see FXE come back to this upside area of what we're going to call now support. So just below 106 makes a great area for bulls to jump on board. And finally, last week, if you remember, we were talking about GLD, and we talked about the buy signal or the bullish signal that came into GLD last Wednesday as I started reporting this, and we talked about the fact that GLD and gold has been in a situation where we're seeing higher highs and higher lows. Well, fast forward a week, fast forward to some turmoil, and you can see exactly what has happened since then. Now, a good 5 days into last week, and we are clearly much higher for GLD. All right, for those of you that are a part of Tom's Tools, then you can get all the details as well as what we are looking at this week at tomsoptiontools.com. If you're not, if you're brand new to us and you've never tried out our tool set, well, we've got some really cool surprises for you next week. I've got a major announcement for you. I promise you I will tell you what this major announcement is, but we're celebrating. And now, instead of 1 week of free tools, we have opened it up for our new group, 30 days, all right? You get 30 days, take your pick. Option trader, contrarian trader, complete trader. You get the full package. This is not a demo, all right? You get everything for 30 days, all right? So pick the package that you think best suits you. And for those of you that are going to be around next week, not only a major announcement, but I also have our summer seminar series, which will be kicking off in June. I'll be opening up registration for that next week. I'll be getting you more information on how you can register for our summer webinar series. Till then, have a great week. I'll talk to you soon.